Buying the best non-toxic electric griddle doesn't need to be complicated. After days of research using my culinary experience, I have a pretty good idea of what makes a good non-toxic electric griddle. So, without further ado, here are the products that made the top 5. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the most up-to-date prices for each of the products. Now, before I get into the best non-toxic electric griddles, I want to make you aware of a product that's often mistakenly touted as being non-toxic, not by the brand itself, but by unaware consumers. After researching the product on Cuisinart's chemical disclosure search, I can tell you that just like thousands of other kitchen appliances, the popular Cuisinart Griddler 5 does in fact contain PFAS and PTFE. Now, let me just say, I'm in no way trying to name and shame Cuisinart here. They don't claim that their Griddler is free from PFAS, and I'm just stating the facts that I found during my research. I think Cuisinart products are actually fantastic, but I can also see why those wanting to minimize their chemical exposure during griddle usage would look for other options. I think the reason why some people thought this Griddler 5 was non-toxic was because of the quality of construction and Cuisinart's stellar reputation in the kitchen appliance industry. Overall, I appreciate Cuisinart's honesty, and I think more brands should have a chemical disclosure statement for each of their products. Up next, we have the GreenLife Ceramic Griddle. You'll appreciate the healthy ceramic nonstick coating derived from sand. It's completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The coating also allows for effortless food release and makes cleanup a breeze. This extra large electric griddle gives you plenty of room to whip up pancakes, eggs, and more for the whole family. The generous 10.5-inch by 20-inch aluminum cooking surface means you can easily fit a full breakfast spread or multiple dishes at once. Now, before you panic at the use of aluminum, I think that the aluminum surface contains the ceramic non-stick coating referred to above, if I am indeed deducing things correctly. Anyway, the adjustable temperature control lets you dial in the perfect heat for whatever you're cooking. With 1500 watts of power, this griddle heats up quickly and maintains even temperatures across the cooking surface. A handy removable drip tray catches excess grease and pops out for easy cleaning. Stay cool handles keep things comfortable as you cook, allowing you to safely move or adjust the griddle on your countertop. The durable ceramic surface stands up well to daily use and is great for everything from pancakes and omelets to steaks and veggies. Next up on my best non-toxic electric griddle list, we have the popular Bella XL Ceramic Titanium Griddle, which boasts an impressive 12-inch by 22-inch cooking surface, perfect for whipping up large batches of pancakes or eggs for the whole family. You'll appreciate the convenience of being able to cook up to 15 eggs or pancakes at once, saving you precious time during hectic mornings. The griddle's standout feature is its titanium-infused ceramic coating. This innovative surface is not only non-stick, but also incredibly durable. It's designed to be up to 10 times more resilient than standard non-stick coatings, ensuring your griddle will stand the test of time. Plus, it's resistant to metal utensils, so you won't have to worry about accidentally scratching the surface while cooking. Health-conscious cooks will love that this griddle's eco-friendly coating is free from harmful chemicals like lead, cadmium, PTFE, and PFOA. You can feel good about preparing meals for your loved ones without any concerns about potentially harmful substances leaching into your food. The Bella Griddle's powerful 1,500-watt heating system ensures quick and efficient cooking. It heats up rapidly and can maintain temperatures up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve perfect results whether you're searing meats or gently cooking delicate foods. The removable temperature probe with an easy-to-use dial gives you precise control over the cooking temperature. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the superior non-stick properties of the ceramic coating. Food releases easily, and most messes can be wiped away with a damp cloth. For more thorough cleaning, the Griddle's cooking surface is fully submersible, making it simple to keep your appliance in top condition. Checking in at number 2 on my best non-toxic griddle list, we have GreenPan Bistro Noir Griddle, which offers a generous cooking area that's perfect for whipping up big breakfasts or multiple dishes at once. This spacious griddle is made by the same company that owns GreenLife and contains the same Thermalon Volt coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook with peace of mind. Although some people still have a few question marks about how the Thermalon is processed with inorganic polymers. Anyway, you'll definitely appreciate the 10.5-inch by 20-inch surface when you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a variety of foods simultaneously. This extra space means you can easily fit a bunch of pancakes, several eggs, and a pile of bacon all at the same time. Plus, the diamond-infused surface is extra durable and makes cleanup a breeze. Just a quick rinse and you're done. The 1,500-watt design ensures rapid and even heating across the entire cooking surface. You won't have to wait long to start cooking, and you'll notice consistent results whether you're searing a steak or making delicate crepes. The adjustable temperature control allows you to fine-tune the heat for different foods, making it versatile enough for various recipes. Comfort and safety are key features of the Bistro Noir. The Stay Cool handles remain comfortable to touch even during cooking, reducing the risk of accidental burns. The removable drip tray is a thoughtful addition, catching excess grease and making cleanup even easier. For those who value simplicity, the one-knob design is a plus. You can quickly adjust the temperature without fiddling with multiple controls. This user-friendly approach makes the griddle accessible for cooks of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, you'll find this griddle straightforward and enjoyable to use. So, what is the best non-toxic electric griddle that you can buy? In my opinion, the Hamilton Beach Professional Cast Iron Indoor Electric Grill and Griddle is the best non-toxic electric griddle on the market. This versatile indoor grill offers excellent cooking performance and durability, making it a solid choice for home cooks seeking a reliable electric griddle. You'll love the spacious cooking area on this Hamilton Beach grill. Its 10-inch by 16-inch surface gives you plenty of room to whip up meals for the whole family. Whether you're grilling steaks, flipping pancakes, or sauteing veggies, you've got ample space to work with. The pre-seasoned cast iron cooking surface is a standout feature. It heats evenly and retains heat well, ensuring your food cooks consistently from edge to edge. You'll get those perfect grill marks on your burgers and that golden brown crust on your grilled cheese sandwiches. Although Hamilton Beach doesn't explicitly state what kind of seasoning they use, I'm 95% sure it's some kind of oil, because on their website they say, quote, "Seasoned is a term that describes creating a hard protective coating on the cast iron by rubbing a thin layer of oil on the surface and heating," unquote. They also recommend using vegetable oil, canola oil, or peanut oil when re-seasoning the cooking surface. So I'm pretty sure that the pre-seasoned cast iron surface uses some kind of oil, making it truly non-toxic. While the cast iron construction offers excellent cooking performance, it does make the grill quite heavy. At nearly 23 pounds, it's not something you'll want to move around frequently. However, if you have a dedicated spot on your counter, you'll appreciate the stability and durability this heft provides. Temperature control is a breeze with this grill. You can adjust the heat from a gentle warm to a searing 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility lets you tackle a wide range of recipes, from delicate fish to hearty steaks. The precise control means you're less likely to burn your food or end up with undercooked meals. Cleaning up after cooking is straightforward thanks to the removable drip tray. Simply push any excess grease into the tray and pop it in the dishwasher when you're done. The cast iron surface itself can be wiped clean, though you'll want to follow proper care instructions to maintain its seasoning. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best non-toxic electric griddles on the market today. Feel free to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.